And welcome to the first ever episode of Freddy's cooking channel. So, you guys take a drink. That was a good one. I'm gonna take a drink now. Watch these. I made that as cringy as possible. Yes. Okay. Anyway, I was like this. So, anyway, if you want to eat peanut butter and jelly sandwich, you can make that. So, I'm going to be teaching you how to make chips and dip. See, I love salsa. I love it more than the nice queso. Which, if you didn't know, queso is another word for cheese. So you're gonna wanna, because I have no clean plates. Wait, why am I even doing this? I need to get a bowl. I need to get a bowl. I hope that Plush Craziness, his brother, doesn't wake up. Otherwise, man, we have no chips. Oh, dang it. So, that was a lost cause. So, we have nothing. Well, I mean, I know how to make guacamole, but no, that's just cringy. I know how to make macaroni and cheese, but no, that's cringy. Wait a minute, I have an idea. Maybe you guys down in the comments below can tell me what I should make in the next video, and I'll see if I can make it. And if not, then I will make something that I want. Look in there. Take a drink. Are you guys drinking? Better be. Bye.